What's up, family? It's your girl D-Ray, the Divine Relationship Alchemist, helping you heal your relationship with self to heal your relationship with others. So most of you are probably wondering, what is the womb really, and why is womb alchemy important? On the physical level, the womb is where we carry our children. It is the space where we experience pleasure. But on a spiritual, metaphysical level, it is what I like to call our storehouse. It is where we store our emotions, our trauma, our creativity, our thoughts, and our beliefs. The deep and powerful thing is that we not only hold our experiences in our wombs, but we also hold the experiences of our partners and the people that we've been intimate with in the past. Beyond that, we inherit the well-being and the health of our womb from our mother, our grandmother, and our ancestors that came before them. Why is this important? Because the womb is the seat of creation. Okay? You create and manifest from your womb. So if you are manifesting things in your life experience that are not in alignment with what you truly desire, then you really need to take a deeper look into your womb space, right? If you're not able to manifest a relationship, a business, a child, right? Good health, there's something that you are holding in your womb that is not in alignment with those things. And so you have to discover what those things are by becoming womb aware, right? By becoming womb aware, you have to have womb awareness, right? And then when you do that, when you discover some of those thoughts, some of those beliefs, some of those emotions, some of that trauma that you have not transmuted, okay? When you discover that, the next thing that you have to do is release. And in order to release, you have to go through these very specific spiritual processes that allow yourself to be purged from those experiences. I like to call it self-dissolution, right? Where you really have to peel back the layers of who you are and really kind of allow yourself to be reborn through your womb. And then once you are reborn, now it's time for you to truly embrace this new life, this new energy, this new vibration, these new emotions, this new thought process. Okay? And it is all very doable. And when you do this healing work, which is going to come by way of transforming your thoughts and transforming how you feel, when you do this healing work, you're going to be tapped into that divine feminine energy that is you. And when you are in this divine feminine essence, you can attract and be receptive and be open to all of the things that your heart desires. All right? Check out Womb Alchemy in my bio.